Just finished assembling this dump bed here. This is for a ground hauler. Done in gloss white. Customer requested this color. And I have boards done in black. Obviously has the tarp, electric lift. It's going with some accessories. Rear bumpers included as always. You get an option of those. There's a few different ones. Some walking beams going with it. It's turned out awesome. Great job on the powder coating, guys. Island Powder Coating did a great job. Super shiny, nice and smooth. Yeah, it looks really good. I think this is going to look great on his truck. His cab is black and white. Black grille and all that sort of stuff too, so stacks everything. So I think the contrast between the two is going to look killer. We were going to do the bed gloss black, but he changed his mind and I think it was a good choice. Looks sweet. I have 2 more ground hauler beds to put together and 2 king hauler beds, one of each in silver and one of each in gunmetal. So get on with those later today. And hopefully by the end of the long weekend, I'll have them all put together and they will be up for sale. So if you're interested, reach out to me. One of the many ways you can on social media, and I will get back to you. Anyways, I gotta box this one up, so thanks for watching.